Hello everyone, on behalf of EDSA Trinity Provider, myself Dr. Stuti Pate welcomes each and every participant who has shown their interest in this psychology quiz contest. So everyone has been wondering what it is actually about. While I have given all the needed and required information to you in the form of flyers, I am here to actually explain to you the process. I think the objective is pretty clear to each and every one. So the objective is that treat this as something to challenge yourself, something to challenge your knowledge, because it is very easy to acquire a certificate or a degree from an university, but it's very difficult to practically execute what we have learned over the years. And the whole point over here is for you as a practitioner to introspect, or for you as a student of psychology to introspect, and while you are participating, it is both. It is not only challenging yourself in this to challenge your own knowledge, but at the same time it is also fun, because there are of course there are perks for winners. And I would like to add that all who are participating, you would be receiving letter of appreciation and certificate of participation, and a small something. We are not promising that as of yet, but we are thinking about it. So regardless of whether you win or not, you're doing this for yourself, you're doing this to take your profession ahead, and you're doing this because you're passionate about your subject and your field. Okay, the process of it is, so this is going to be a moderated contest. So how we have 4 moderators, and each moderator is going to be allotted around 30 to 40 participants batch. All right, and all this every moderator will have a chance to moderate your quiz on video. So while you are attempting together, they will still be moderating your quiz so that there is no cheating. Secondly, the theoretical questions are going to be such that will not exceed the time limit of 5 minutes. So every participant, as they have to respond to 2 questions, you have to be as brief as you can be, and questions will be such where you are able to give concise and clear answers to the moderators. The whole point of it all is your confidence level as being a student of psychology, or if you are already practicing, then it is all about how much you know. So I hope these 2 things are clear. So every moderator will be moderating around 30 to 40 participants. They will be responsible to discuss amongst themselves, and they will decide on the winners. This is going to this is something unique, and it's something that can actually be fruitful for you in your career, because at least you would know that how much knowledge you are carrying about this subject. As I said, it's very easy to call yourself as a psychologist, clinical psychologist, or a mental health practitioner, but when it comes to applying theory, which is absolutely important, because half knowledge can always be harmful, and we have to understand that. So we have to understand that we are in a profession where we are healing people. So I wish you all the best. I hope you all will participate, all those who have shown interest. We have now around 82 participants, and hoping for more to join. And one more thing, you all do not have to pay until we instruct you. We need your registrations, absolutely, but for the payment, we will definitely open 3 days. It could be the end of this month or the beginning of next month, and we'll be opening those 3 days for you to make payments when we have confirmed the number of participants. So I hope that is clear, and once again, it's lovely to connect with you all, and take care and have a lovely day ahead. For any questions or queries, please do message me personally. Bye bye.